Hey there, beach lovers! Welcome to my channel, Erica's Beach Adventures. I'm your host, Erica, and I'm beyond excited to take you on a virtual journey to one of the most incredible beaches I've ever laid eyes on. As I step onto the soft, powdery sand, I feel an instant connection with this slice of paradise. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm glow on the turquoise waters that stretch out before me. It's like stepping into a dream. This beach is truly something out of a postcard. The pristine shoreline seems to go on for miles, inviting you to take long, leisurely walks or simply relax under the shade of a palm tree. The sound of the gentle waves crashing against the shore is like a soothing lullaby, instantly putting your mind at ease. One of the things that sets this beach apart is its breathtaking natural beauty. The crystal-clear waters reveal a vibrant underwater world, teeming with colorful fish and mesmerizing coral reefs. Snorkeling here feels like diving into an aquarium filled with life and wonder. As I walk along the beach, I can't help but be captivated by the surrounding scenery. Towering cliffs stand tall on one side, adding a touch of drama to the already stunning landscape. The air is filled with the fresh scent of salt water, and the soft breeze caresses my skin, creating a feeling of pure bliss. Now, my dear viewers, if you're as blown away by this beach as I am, I invite you to hit that subscribe button below. Join me on future beach adventures as we explore more breathtaking destinations around the world. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on the beauty and serenity that these incredible coastal havens have to offer. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.